This lecture is for class 3. The subject is environmental science. Simply it is also called EVS. So it is a very interesting subject. You can say this subject is foundation of science. In future who want to be a doctor, engineer and in other good position. So try to understand all the facts clearly. Then in higher studies, if you want to take science in class 11 and 12, then you can easily understand the details concept regarding biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics. Lots of not so relation with mathematics, but there is a relation between relation with physics, chemistry, biology with this EVS subject. So in your class, in class 3, you have to know basic idea about our body. Our body. Here in this class, I will give only overview of your subject. So in body, we have lots of part, external part, internal part. But in your lecture, you have to know about external part only. For example, our head, our chest, our neck, our leg, our arm, like that. So in next chapter, you have to understand about our family. So we have to know about various type of family. For example, nuclear family. Nuclear family means small family. Joint family. Joint family means where generally our grandparents, our parents, our relatives used to live together. Big family. And nuclear family means only parents and siblings. Sibling means your brother and sister, your own brother and sister. A small family, that is called nuclear family. And in family, other relatives, for example, uncle, auntie, we have to know about that in this chapter. And in third chapter, we have to care to whom. For example, suppose you have a grandmother or grandfather and they are in old age, so we have to care them. We have to care the blind people. We have to care the orphan. So in society, we have some responsibility. So we have to know here whom to, how we have to care. The next chapter is fun. Fun means we have to play in off time. When we are free, we can play. We can do physical exercise for our physical growth. We should avoid mobile phone, TV, so we can make fun with different type of learning things. And the next chapter is work. Work means generally we have lots of work or essential services in general life. For example, police department, postal department, medical department, PW department, lots of variety type of work are there. So we have to know details in this chapter. So next chapter is plants. Plants, we know that in our surrounding lots of trees are there. So we have to know basic idea about trees in this chapter. So next chapter is animals. Animals, we know that there are mainly two type of animals: domestic animal and wild animal. Domestic animal, for example, dog. So different type of animals we have to study here. So next is food. Food. So we generally, I told you that we should take the balanced diet. So we for our standard life, for our standard living, we must have some concept regarding our food structure. So here you will get basic idea. And next chapter is home and shelter. So for our survival, these are the basic needs. Without shelter, without home, it is very difficult to survive. And next chapter is places. For example, somebody want to be IS officer, so you must have good general knowledge about the variety type of places. For example, in India, there are so many states, so many tourism places are there. So here you will get the basic idea. And road safety, while traveling we should know the rules and regulation, how to cross the road, what are the rule and regulation, which side we should walk. While walking we should avoid mobile phones, so we should careful while crossing the road. Lots of concept you will get here in this chapter. And next, it is very important chapter, water, because without water living bodies living life is not possible. So water, mainly the water which is found in earth surface are not pure, only a little bit water where we can use. So we should save the water, save the water, and how water can be purified. So because normally in water lots of minerals are there, so here you will get the basic idea. And next chapter is transport means generally nowadays for short distance transport cycle is used, a little bit long distance bike, car, truck, these are the used. In water transport is also there. For example, ship is used for water communication, and for very long distance we use generally aeroplane, helicopter. So different type of transport mode you will get in this chapter. So clothing means every caste or culture clothing are different. For example, during our bihu we wear mekhla, ladies or girls wear mekhla chadar, boys wear dhoti, pajama, I think, and like that. So place to place clothing pattern, clothing culture are different. So you will get basic idea here. So this next chapter is air, very important chapter, because in Earth only we have an atmosphere. Atmosphere means have air or gases. So in air there are so many gases. So some important gases are there. So the important gases are oxygen. Without oxygen we cannot live. Nitrogen is important for trees, and methane gas, helium gas are also there. But some harmful gases also there. For example, sulfur dioxide. Remember, this is very harmful. Sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and these are generated from industry. So these are this creates pollution. So this is also called pollutant gas. So pollutant gas, and excess of carbon dioxide is also harmful. So we can minimize the pollution, and by increasing the trees, because nowadays lots of deforestation is take place. Deforestation means cutting down the trees. So if the number of trees are decreasing, so day by day the amount of oxygen is also decreasing, and amount of carbon dioxide is also increasing. It's not good for us, and due to carbon dioxide the global warming is also going on. So lots of trade is coming, so we have to minimize the pollution, then our air will be fresh, become fresh. So you will get basic idea in this chapter. And next chapter is solar system. Solar system means we have in solar system we have few planets. So in solar system our sun is the main controlling star, we can say star, because it has its own light, and other planet moves around the sun. The nearest planet is Mercury, and the far planet is Neptune. Only Earth is the planet where life is possible. So we will get details in this chapter about the different type of solar system or planet. And last one is weather. So weather is also dependent on pollution mainly. So where we have different type of session, summer session, winter session. Summer session, rain will be, lots of rain will be there. So and temperature will change due to weather. So we have to know basic idea about here. So basically, in this subject, you will get lots of concept. So I will try to start one chapter in next video if I will get time. But remember one thing: you will get lots of learning concept in EVS subject. So thank you.